Samsung's highly anticipated flagship smartphone, the S24 Ultra, is just around the corner, and the internet is buzzing with leaks and rumors. While exact specs and pricing remain uncertain, reliable sources have provided some insights into potential features that could give the S24 Ultra an edge over the iPhone 15 Pro Max. One key area where Samsung aims to outshine Apple is the camera department. Leaks suggest that S24 Ultra will boast a remarkable 200-megapixel main rear lens, dwarfing Apple's 48-megapixel main lens. Despite the impressive megapixel count, the true test of camera performance goes beyond numbers. Additionally, the S23 Ultra already had a 200-megapixel main lens, making the megapixel difference less significant. However, reports indicate that Samsung might have the upper hand in video capabilities, with the S24 Ultra capable of shooting 4K videos at 120 frames per second, a notable improvement over the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 4K/60 FPS limit. While camera comparisons will have to wait for hands-on experience, rumors also suggest that the S24 Ultra will excel in the display department. With a potentially larger screen, S23 Ultra featured a 6.8-inch display compared to the Pro Max's 6.7 inches, and a rumored 144 Hz display. Samsung appears poised to maintain its lead in the refresh rate competition. Another intriguing aspect is Samsung's focus on artificial intelligence. Although details remain scarce, leaks hint at AI features like live language translation and generative photo editing. This could position the S24 Ultra alongside the Pixel 8, surpassing Apple in terms of AI capabilities. While the value of generative AI is subjective, Samsung's commitment to incorporating these features sets it apart from Apple, which has been relatively cautious in adopting generative AI on its handsets. The S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable competitor to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with potential advantages in camera capabilities, display quality, and AI features. However, the true verdict will only be possible when the S24 Ultra is officially released and thoroughly evaluated. Let's delve into the intricacies of the S24 series, examining its features, design elements, and pricing details. Now, let's delve into the particulars. The standard Galaxy S24 packs a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340x1080. It's built with Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for durability. Selfies, covered by a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Flip it around, and you'll find a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens at the back. Depending on the region, it'll run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, offering 8 GB RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB with UFS 4.1 tech. The S24 sports a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging, plus 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Expect it to roll out in February 2024, priced between $850 to $900. Stepping up, the Galaxy S24 Plus rocks a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120x1440. It's got the same tough build and a 12-megapixel punch-hole selfie cam. Its camera setup mirrors the standard S24, paired with either Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, but with a beefier 12 GB RAM and storage choices of 256 GB or 512 GB using UFS 4.1 tech. The S24 Plus houses a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging, boasting similar connectivity features. Expected price? Around $1,050. Now, the flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, flaunts a sizable 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088x1440. The selfie cam, a 12-megapixel punch-hole. The rear camera setup is the showstopper with a massive 200-megapixel primary lens, complemented by other lenses for various zoom capabilities. Unlike its siblings, the S24 Ultra uniformly runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, offering 12 GB RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB using UFS 4.1 tech. Its 5,000 mAh battery supports 45-watt fast charging, and it packs the same connectivity features as the other models. Expect a premium price tag of around $1,250. Overall, the Galaxy S24 series promises upgraded displays, durable builds, enhanced hardware, and smart AI features. While it might not be a massive leap for S23 Ultra owners, it's an enticing upgrade for users of older models or newcomers to the Galaxy S series. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.